In this video, I'm going to demonstrate an unique functionality of XLOOKUP called search direction. So to give you a background, VLOOKUP has a big limitation that it can search for the values from top to bottom only. Now you may say that how come this is a limitation? So let's understand this with the help of an example. So over to my screen. As you can see, I am having data of a gym. So these are selling fitness product to its members. Okay, so it is regularly purchases and sells it. Okay, so see, now I want closing balance of any item. Okay, and this is a typical report exported by their ERP. I have applied some color formatting for better understanding. Okay, let's say the product is product and I have a closing balance. Okay, so let's say the product is real muscle mass gain. Okay, we'll copy paste simple it. Now I want closing balance of it. So how to do this using VLOOKUP? Very simple. Is equal to VLOOKUP, search for this value, comma in this table, comma 4, comma 0. Okay, fourth column. Now for big muscle, this worked. Wait, but let's imagine I want to search closing balance for gym shaker. Okay, it comes to 11, whereas the closing balance is 6. The reason is that VLOOKUP always search from top to bottom, and moment it finds that row, it immediately stops searching. Okay, so it started searching from here, and moment it encountered first row, it stopped and returned this row. Okay, whereas our requirement is that if multiple instances are there, the last instance of that row last instance should be returned. Okay, so this is a limitation of VLOOKUP. Now let's see how XLOOKUP can overcome this. Okay, so now instead of VLOOKUP, I will write XLOOKUP. So it's equal to XLOOKUP. Okay, search for this product, comma. So search in this A column and fetch corresponding value from D column. Okay, comma. If not found, let's write 0, comma match mode. So product name should match exactly. So let us keep it exact match. Okay, that means 0, comma. Now this one is a very important. By default, XLOOKUP also search from top to bottom, that is first to last. But we have an option to reverse its searching direction. So I will select last to first. Okay, last to first, -1, bracket close. Let's see. Okay, now it has written 6. See, the second instance or last instance. So if I write instead of that, I remove this, or the default one is first to last. If I keep this, it will act same like a VLOOKUP. But if I reverse this direction, okay, last to search, that is write -1, it would give the corresponding last item. Let's test for this. Optimum creatine powder. Okay, you can see this is the last row of that instance it is returning. So lastly, please try this by your own, and you can subscribe to the YouTube channel to get notified on more such upcoming videos.